Kapag naman kumakain sa labas, which is actually something na nakikita na natin ngayon, paano ba dapat yung pagtatabi ng mga mask na suot natin?
Okay. Again, dahil pinapayagan na ngayon ang dine-in sa ating mga restaurants with proper social distancing, it's also a good question to ask on how we paano natin itinatabi ang ating mga mask na ginagamit bago tayo kumain. Okay, so like I mentioned, we should, of course, when we take off our masks, tatanggalin natin siya using the straps. Okay? We fold the outside part inside, okay, para hindi siya nakalabas. And then, as I showed you, we use the Ziploc bag or brown bag, or we could also hang the mask by its straps para siya ay matuyo at mahanginan. Pero lahat ng ating mga gamit, kasama na ang mask, ay wag ho natin ipapagpag, wag natin ibababa sa mga surfaces na madalas hawakan. Okay, as courtesy and protection din sa ibang tao, pati na rin sa ating sarili, we also cannot put down the mask anywhere. Kasi pag nadikit yung, alam nyo, nakita nyo yung outer part, we folded the outer part so that hindi siya magkakalot ng germs. Pero nakalabas yung inner part. So pag binaba natin yung inner part, yung part na nakadikit sa ating face, sa isang surface na hindi tayo sigurado na maraming umahawak, and then after eating, isuot natin ulit, and then we are putting ourselves at risk. Okay. So again, I advise bringing along a paper bag or a plastic zip bag, and avoid yung linalagay natin siya sa bulsa natin, yung nilalagay natin yung mask sa ating bag, or putting it down on the table na ginagamit natin. Okay?
Medyo guilty ako sa mga ilan na yan. Pero Doc, eto, meron akong mga nakikita na na pagka kumakain naman, ang ginagawa nila, binababa lang nila sa may leeg part yung mask.
Yeah.
Is it also advisable to do that?
No, actually. Thank you for mentioning it. Kasi the danger of bringing down the mask to your neck area is that the neck area, when you're normally wearing the mask, exposed ang ating neck area. So pwede tayong magkaroon ng mikrobyo or virus or bacteria in our neck area, and then pag inakyat natin, so mahinga din natin yung virus or yung dumi.
Okay. How about yung mga mask naman na nabibili ngayon na yung parang mga tela? Is it also advisable to use?
Well, yung mga tela, they're good for when you go out, when you commute, when you're going out for supplies. But of course, yung mga masks na ginagamit natin na ganun, they are less effective at filtering. Usually, these kinds of masks are polyester, yung synthetic fibers. Okay? They are not as good at filtering, and they also retain the virus longer. Hindi siya ganun kadaling linisin. So we would advise the better material would be cotton. Yun pong high fiber count, o yung masinsin ang pagkakadikit-dikit ng mga fibers ng cloth. Okay? Ito yung mga 100% cotton, hindi yung mga synthetic na stretchable, or yung spandex. Medyo matagal siyang mag-retain ng germs pagka ganon. Okay? Meron din pala tayo, Bel, na I want to mention also, meron tayong mga mask na nabibili sa hardware. Yung may valve. So these valves are also not advised to be used for corona. Okay? Kasi they are one way. Okay? They do protect the wearer, but when the wearer is the one who is infected and he or she exhales, hindi na filter yung palabas na hangin. So, yung mga katabi mo, kung ikaw ay infected and you're wearing that kind of mask, yung may valve dito, at risk pa rin yung mga katabi mo or mga kasama mo.
I see. Okay.
Okay, so I can see on the top with the polka dots, these I assume these are the cloth masks. On the upper right is the surgical masks. The middle left is the mask with the valve, which is the one that is not advisable. In the center is the N95 mask. I don't think we have any official ruling on the copper mask at the department, but we do know for a fact that copper is touted to be a antibacterial metal. So if the filtration of the air is okay, then I have nothing against the copper masks. Okay?
Yeah, and I guess
and yung gas mask yata on the right, I think this would have a at the very least it will protect the wearer. Again, it would depend on if the exhaust or the exhaled air is also filtered. Kasi usually ang mga gas mask, they protect the wearer against poison gases. But hindi nila filter yung outgoing air. It's similar to the valve mask.
To learn more about first aid, emergency preparedness, and disaster awareness, don't forget to click the subscribe button.